Hello kids, let's learn to draw some 2D shapes. Circle, star, circle, triangle, arrow, pentagon, square, star, circle, triangle, arrow, pentagon. Let's color it. This is light green color. Light green color. This is square shape. This is red color. This is red color. This is star shape. This is sky blue color. This is sky blue color. Circle shape. This is pink color. This is pink color. Triangle shape. This is blue color. Blue color. Arrow shape. This is arrow shape. This is yellow color. This is yellow color. This is pentagon shape. Dear kids, this is yellow color. Dear kids, let's rewind once again. Square, star, circle, triangle, arrow, pentagon. Thank you kids for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye. See you in next video.